to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to quickly share with you one of my favorite super easy 2-minute snacks that I do for myself and my children. This is a 3-ingredient chocolate that works amazing. Now you could also add in some other ingredients as well if you want to boost the nutrition content. I just simply stick with 3 ingredients to start off with, and during the summertime I might add 1 or 2 extra ingredients to give it an extra boost and an extra taste. So as you can see here, I'm using this mold. You can go ahead and use a silicone mold or whatever you are comfortable with, and this is only 3 ingredients. So I start off by using organic honey, and I also use unprocessed honey as much as possible, local honey if you can get that. And then I add in equal amounts of coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil, as well as equal amounts of cacao powder, raw unprocessed cacao powder that is rich in flavonoids and polyphenols as well. Really easy. You mix all these ingredients together, you add that to the mold, and you can also add in some vitamin C powder. You can add in a little bit of moringa powder or matcha powder to it. I just keep it on these 3 ingredients, and then I stick it in the freezer for a quick snack. Once they're frozen, I'll take them out of the mold, and then I'll store them in either the fridge or the freezer. And it works amazing. Literally within 15 minutes they'll be ready to eat, and they only take about 2 minutes to make if you have all the ingredients ready to go. Let me know what kind of recipes and what kind of videos you're interested in. See you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.